I started this company in 1992. We come from textile printing background. My father Shriram Dhanopia used to print fabric for many exporters across India. Then I decided to take next step and started export division. In our 30-year journey, we have shipped our products to major customers in USA, Japan, Canada, South America, UK, etc.
I am in this business from 1998 and I believe behind every great brand is a manufacturer who understands the vision. We have fully equipped factories with all modern machineries where we produce high quality garments for global market.
Here at Shree Ram Overseas, we continue to believe in my father's philosophy of every great design deserves flawless execution. Located in the heart of Jaipur, our facility seamlessly blends traditional tailoring techniques with modern manufacturing technology. From sourcing the finest fabrics to execution to maintaining the strictest quality standards, we commit to deliver the best quality product and garment for all our clients.
Our company's vision is just not limited towards cutting and stitching a specific fabric and making garment out of it. It's more focused towards understanding the vision of our client's brand, design making, and doing justice to what we believe and can deliver.